we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down dirt, like that guy. You want some love, be like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path.
Y'all, we taking another solo trip to Thailand. I'm so freaking excited. We're on our way, y'all. We're on our way. We're going all the way to the back. We didn't get our own road this time. I'm about to show y'all everything they gave us. This looks like slippers, and I forgot my socks up there, so this should be good. I don't think I ever got slippers before. All I normally get is a blanket and a pillow. We got slippers. They even have like the little hospital things at the back of them. Look, the grippers. This is an economy. You get a toothbrush and toothpaste, some headphones. This says hello, a water, and a good old blanket. Oh, don't let me forget this, a pillow. Last time I was on a flight going to, I think it was Hong Kong, they had like the little neck pillows, but this will do. Plus I got a window seat because, girl, I can't, I need to sleep right here. Y'all, when I was picking this seat out, I was like, ooh, nobody's in the row.
That's okay,
It filled up fast. I think this plane is full. I was like, at first I was at the one like right in front of me, and I was like, oh, somebody sat there. And then, so I chose this seat, and I was like, fingers crossed that I get my own row. No, girl, no. You're about to, I think it's 14 hours upright. I gotta find something to do. This is my first time flying Korean Air, and it's hot. I'm glad I brought this fan because it's hot. But you know what? A lot of planes start off hot, so hopefully everything works out. I don't know if this is lunch or dinner, but let me show y'all what we got. Looks like we got a salad. I do not know what this is. I don't think I want to know what this is. This looks like chocolate cake. Oh, look at this cute little cup. It's plastic. I think we got rib, potatoes, and vegetables. What's in this one? Why they give me two? They gave me two. I don't want two. Oh, they said I need an extra meal. They gave me 2 meals. I don't know why. Oh, they didn't give me bread. They didn't give me bread, which I don't want bread. But we got 2 ribs. I don't know who's gonna eat the second one. Maybe y'all can eat the second one. Yeah, this is for y'all. This one's for me. They got real silverware. It smells green. I don't know if it has any dressing. I don't know. I'm not gonna try this because it's just salad without dressing. But we have this little mix. I don't want this. You know what it tastes like? Coleslaw. Actually, this is really good. Looks are deceiving. Let's try the dessert. Ooh, it smells like chocolatey. Oh, it's not cake. I don't know what this is. It's like a chocolate mousse. It's good. Okay, for the rib. Okay, it's not bad. You know what? I haven't had a potato in a very long time. The potato is potatoing. And it's seasoned good. Okay, if you go on Korean Air, get the rib plate. This is good. But look, y'all got a rib plate because I got 2 of them. Y'all, we made it to Seoul, Korea. We're about to go and get on our plane. I think it said it was delayed, but you know what? That's a good thing because I think it's only like an hour layover, and I don't even know exactly where I'm going right now. So perfect. That means I don't have to run to the plane. We just got off a 14-hour flight, and y'all, I got about 5 hours of sleep on it. I feel good about it. I do. Now we're about to go on a 5, almost 6-hour flight, so it shouldn't be too bad. After taking a 14-hour flight, 5 hours don't seem so bad, huh? It don't. Oh, I think I found my gate, y'all. It says our gate is 225. This is 225, y'all, but clearly this just said Manila. Okay, they're going Manila, but it also said Bangkok, so we might be in the right spot. Let's look again. There it goes. You know what, y'all, that plane was so dang hot. Like, at first I was like, you know what, they have to warm up the air. You know, you got to get it warmed up so it can be nice and cold. It was hot on that plane the whole time. I was like, is it just me? But I was not the only one complaining, so it was just hot. It was a hot flight. It was a hot nap. It was a hot sleep. It was hot. Since we have a little time on our hands, let's go try to find a magnet, y'all. Because even if we just came to the airport, we're still in Seoul, Korea. So let's prove it. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time to go to the lounge. I would love to see what our lounge looks like here. Let's go in here. Maybe we can find some snacks and maybe we can find a magnet. They have all the duty-free things in there, so we're not going in there to get anything. And people were really trying to sell in there. She's like, look at my stuff, look at my stuff. I'm like, girl, I just need a little snack, if I even get a snack, and I need a magnet. Y'all don't have none of those things. Not they have shoes. Y'all, they don't have a regular store. Well, I guess we're not gonna get no magnet. If we do, I'll let y'all know. Oh, what do we have over here?
안녕하세요.
I'm going back towards my gate because I just want to make sure I don't miss no flights. I don't know how long it's gonna be delayed, but it's not gonna be leaving me today. Y'all, we found magnets. This one says Seoul. It's cute. They got the flowers. This is $5 for 4. I should get this for everybody else. I like these. This one's cute. Some of them say Seoul, some of them say Korea. I wonder, should I get the ones that say Seoul or the ones that say Korea? So I'm getting to everybody one of these because I found 4 of these. I'm gonna get one also, but I'm also gonna get this one that says Seoul. $25. I gotta have it though. I just found out that our flight leaves at 7:25 p.m. instead of 6:05 p.m. I think it's like 5 something. Anyway, we're about to go find a lounge and lounge in there at least until 6:05. Last time I went to a lounge and my flight was delayed, I missed my flight. Came earlier than it said it was gonna come. But anyway, we're gonna find a lounge. Unfortunately, I don't think they have showers, so that's really gonna suck, but at least we can get a quick snack. We looked up and found a lounge, y'all, right by our gate. Yay! How fortunate. Look at American Express coming through again. Y'all, look at this line. We're definitely not getting in. We do not have enough time for this line. Dang. So close. They have another lounge somewhere else, but do we want to go? Probably. Probably want to go see. Also, look at this. They have a nap zone. Of course, the nap zone is full, but it's free. It's not even included in the lounge. That's pretty cool. Y'all, I found the lounge, but there is another line. Look at this. There's the lounge. There's the line. Everybody wants to get in all the lounges, so I guess we won't. We came back to the first time we're at the lounge, and we made it, y'all. We up front. We're up front. We got to the front of the line. We probably only got 30 minutes in here, but it's better than nothing. Hopefully they have showers. So they don't have showers. Let's see what they have to eat.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? Let go. We only got this life. No guarantees and stars align.
They got a nice little variety. Let me go find the seat. So I just ended up getting a little bit of everything. Got some spaghetti noodles. This is like a meat patty under there. Monte Cristo. This is spicy chicken, Korean chicken. And we got oranges. Also, they got their own water. And then we got some citrus juice. And we had to hurry because we don't have that much time here. We waited in line for a long time. Looks can be deceiving. All of this is good. Oh, I ain't trying to orange, but it's an orange. This whole plate good. We finally boarded. I only stayed in the lounge for like 30 minutes because I was scared I was gonna miss my flight. So I waited out here for an hour and we're finally boarding. Thank God. One thing about a lounge, they'll have you so comfortable you don't want to leave, and sometimes you miss your flight. We're on the last flight. We're about to get these 5 hours over with right quick.
Going off to different places, different planets.
I'm saying 5 hours. Is it 6? I know one thing. It's not 14 like the first flight.
What if we run out of time and second chances?
We went to the back again. All the way to the back. Y'all, we made it. After 20 hours of flights, we made it. We're about to go pick up our luggage. We're running to our bag, y'all. My bag, it feels kind of light. I didn't pack that much. I feel like I packed everything I own. It's almost midnight. So day one is gone, but that's okay. We're here. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do what we wanna do because we can. Also, we gotta go pick up our Wi-Fi, y'all. So let me go figure out what floor that's on. Y'all, I can't believe I found the place by memory. So if you end up getting a pocket Wi-Fi, I go through Klook to get it. Once you get to the Bangkok airport, come to level B, and then you can just go over here by the train or railway, I don't know what they call it, and you can pick up your Wi-Fi. But I found it, y'all. I knew to go to the last floor. Floor B. Oh yeah, don't let me forget to tell y'all that the pocket Wi-Fi is $32, I think for 6 days. So we winning. Y'all, we made it over here, and I was saying Klook, but it's called Smile Wi-Fi, but you order it through Klook. Anyway, let's get the things we need. All Thailand. Okay, thank you. Y'all, we got our pocket Wi-Fi. Also, if I end up going to Phuket, I can use it in all of Thailand, so I'll have internet with me the whole time. Why don't I use the SIM cards? I don't know how to do that, so I always get the whole Wi-Fi. Anyway, we're about to go get a Grab, y'all. A Grab is the Uber of Asia, so we're about to go get a Grab so we can take our tail to the hotel. We gotta go find the Grab. Is this the area? I just randomly came outside. Let me go figure out exactly where the Grab is. They got the Grab all lit up, y'all, waiting on us. I haven't even booked the Grab yet, but I know where it is, so that's all that really matters. Grab has an A and a B point. We're going to A. They have so many people waiting on the Grab, y'all. Let's grab ours. I think our Grab is here, y'all. Yeah, we made it in our Grab. On to the hotel. Y'all, we made it to our hotel. We're staying at Ibis Styles, I think it's called. Ibis Styles is where we're staying. I don't know what to expect. I know my room little though. I know it's little, but we finna go find out.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder.
Okay, y'all, we got the key to our room. Let's go see what it looks like.
While you are up in space, I sit here by myself.
I don't know if our room is 23 or if it's 2, but we're going to 23 first. Oh, I think our room is right here by the elevator. Perfect. I know the room is gonna be small. I already read the reviews, y'all, but our other room was small. It was fine. It's just us.
As long as you don't say that it's all.
Yeah, we had to put this in here for the lights to come on. Y'all, let's check out the room. This is way bigger than the first room I had in Bangkok. I tell you that much. I'm pretty excited about it. When you first walk in, you have this little area right here where you put your luggage at. Okay. Oh, and this is where you put your clothes at. And it comes with hangers, y'all. Look at there. And I guess all of them have the flashlight. Okay, because last time they had the flashlight too. Just in case the lights go out, I guess. And then right beside the door is the bathroom. So let's go in here and look. It's small but big. Toilet, sink, we got towels. Okay, I don't see any face towels, but we brought our own. And then we have the shower here. Come out of there and there is a mirror right here on the door by the bathroom. This is what we need. This is what we need. Oh, this mirror is kind of off a little bit. Why it look like that? Anyway, moving on. So right beside the bathroom is the bed, y'all. The bedroom. The bed is kind of low, huh? Look at this. It's low to the floor. But it's good enough for us. We have regular plugs. Okay, this is what we need to know. And on this side, we have regular plugs. It also has a chair over here in the corner. And y'all not gonna believe this. Remember last time I booked the room in Bangkok and it didn't have a TV? Well, guess what, y'all? We got a TV. There she goes, right in front of the bed, y'all. January was a crazy time to be in Bangkok. It wasn't, but why didn't I have a TV last time? I don't know. And then they also have this little sitting area right here. I'm gonna assume you can sit here. Here's a desk right here. They also have a menu, y'all. Look at this, room service menu. Wow, okay. I don't know if these are good prices or not, but I do know one thing. Oh, never mind. The last order's at 10:30. It's too late. But anyway, we'll know for tomorrow. This is good. This is good to know. And drinks, okay. We have a safe. We also have this refrigerator. Is it getting cold? It is. And let's see if we have a view, y'all. Not that it matters, but let's see anyway. Let's open our big window, y'all. Ooh, it is a city view. Yeah, that's a cute view. Let me close this so y'all can see. Y'all see the city view? We got a little corner view of the city. I feel good about it. Look at us, our little room, y'all. Y'all, this whole trip to Bangkok with the hotel and flight, $1,088, y'all. That's including the flight and the hotel. 6 days here, or 6 nights, one of them, but it was 6. So I feel good about it, y'all. I do. I'm sure we'll spend money somewhere else. I'm sure we will. But guess what? To get here and to have somewhere to stay, $1,088. And this hotel is pretty nice. It is. I mean, the room is not like all glamorous, but it's clean. It looks better than my last room. It has a TV. It has all the things you need. Like, girl, yeah, you did that. You did that. I don't know what this trip is going to bring y'all because we already been to Bangkok before. We might end up in Phuket. I don't know yet. We just going to wing it, y'all. Y'all going to wing it with me. But anyway, this was the travel day for today, y'all. I'm probably about to go downstairs, try to find a 7-Eleven, try to see if I can find a little snack or something to eat. I don't know. Y'all might come with me, but it ain't gonna be on this video, is it? It sure ain't. Thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and y'all come back tomorrow. We got an adventure on our hands.
Even the house, sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We have
up.
to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road,
have to.
please. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.